Boy, saan kayo punta?
Diyan lang. Ano namin? Baka na kami sa job.
Para mag-abroad ka na ya. May luggage ka pa.
Tinawa ka na mama.
So guys, andito na kami sa airport. Pupunta muna kami sa Cubao. Yan. Siyempre bago yan, kakain muna kami bago kami bumiyahe. Yan, may magpapakain sa Shakey's. Yan, kain muna kami guys. Ngayon guys, kami ay boarding na. Yan, waiting na lang sa airplane. Mukhang nililinis pa. Init. See you later guys. Here we go guys. Nandito tayo sa Cebu Pacific sa Terminal 3. Yan, sa runway na tayo. Sakay natin aeroplano. Later, maya-maya, nanduro na tayo sa ating destination. At this point, kami ay nasa Himpapawid na. Medyo matagal-tagal na yung last nasakay natin ng aeroplano. Mga 20 years ago nung pumunta pa tayo sa Malaysia. Tapos ngayon na lang ulit. Yan. First trip with the family going to Iloilo. Yan. So, view from the airplane. Yan. Tagal-tagal na, sana sunod-sunod na yung mga biyahe natin. Hey guys, welcome to Iloilo. Welcome to Guimaras. Yan, dito tayo sa Guimaras, mga kapatid. Town Hall of Guimaras.
Ay, ayun bro. Doon tayo.
No.
Voice over.
Hindi, ano na, naririnig maganda ano, mic niya na stock. Na ano, stock tuloy, default. Yun guys, we're going to the lighthouse. Look at the beach. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Maalon. Lakas ng alon. You know, this is the walkway to the lighthouse here in Guimaras. Here we are guys, to the entrance of Gusi Lighthouse here in Dolores Nueva, Valencia, Guimaras. Pwede ka na mag-surfing dyan eh, oh. This is the Gusi Lighthouse Ruins. Gusi Lighthouse Ruins. So ayan, nasa pala siya. Historical landmark, Gusi Lighthouse Ruins. In 1857, the general plan for fighting of marine coast in the Philippine archipelago was drafted and implemented by Corps of Engineers for roads, canals, and ports. So yan. May historical ano pala to.
Puro kalawang na.
So ayan siya guys, oh. Nasa ano siya, nasa dagat. Ang ganda dun, oh. Ang ganda talaga dun, oh, nung lugar na yun.
Pagayon-gayon pa eh. Gusto kayo sabi niya, ayun o, parang ang nasa bakod. Ganito ka sa bakod niyo.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get
guys, that's the day 1 of our tour sa Guimaras. Yan, nakisama naman ng panahon at nakapag-ikot-ikot tayo kahit pa paano. Hindi lang kami nakapag-beach dahil malakas yung alon for safety na rin. So, abangan nyo yung part 2 para sa aming day 2 sa Iloilo City, City Tour. So, tapos namin sa Guimaras. Kaya, see you sa part 2. Out na tayo guys!